Welcome back to SHEMSS. In this episode of electrical class, we will install can lights.
So a couple things about lighting. So what's done, like I said, we already installed the panel, right? We installed the sub panel, so we have a heart, I'm calling it the heart, and we can know from where we need to wire it, right? So what we're doing today, right now, like we'll talk about lighting, how it's important in lighting. Let's talk about, let's say, kitchen. So very important when you have countertop, right? The countertop, its deepness, it's 24 inches. So if you put the light so far away, so the light gonna be shooting when you chop at the foot, chop, the light shooting in the back, and you makes the shadow, okay? So it's make dark. So I'd like to usually bring light above countertop. So it's close, it's in a shooting in exactly working area. I'd like to play around, see where it goes, couch, TV, this stuff. Let's say, I look at the plan, we have can lights here. We have here chandelier for kitchen table, okay? So this is our dining. We have can lights, couple can lights. So we're starting from this point right here. We'll do can lights. This is how I mark the can lights. Simple like that. And we'll do 6 can lights. And when I do layout, I can do inch by inch or just a quickly idea. And you guys kind of divide it and measure it and placed exactly inch by inch, So here we'll do can light, we'll do can light, we'll do can light. So what we just did here, this is our living room / dining room and kitchen behind you. It's kitchen with nook area and huge island. So it's open concept. Open concept right now is so popular. Open concept, living room, dining room, and kitchen and nook all together. Okay, but lighting I'd like to do by the rooms. Okay, by the dining we have separate lighting. Here we have separate lighting. Even it's one piece, like I said, it's even one room. So what I want to do, I want to teach you how to connect the all can lights. Okay, let's do here map quickly. Okay, so we need to do chain reaction. So you install the can lights. Okay, make sure it's secured, it has it with the bolts. So make sure it's everything set up by the layout. Okay, it's very important. So this is the can lights. Okay, so those nails goes to the joist or to the truss, depends where you are. Okay, like if we are in the first floor where is a down bedroom, we have joists, ceiling joists, right, holding the second floor. And we here in the living room we have trusses. So this is nails goes to the trusses. Okay, and where is it secured? So this is the screw we need to tie it. Okay, when you are in a position exactly what you're planning the dimensions, okay, by your layout. So you tighten it out the screw, it doesn't move. When the guys coming, sheetrock guys, and install the sheetrock, those guys can move a little bit, can lights. It's gonna be ugly layout. It's not gonna be even, especially when we have, like in here, we have wood ceiling. So the wood ceiling we have with grills. So we have lines, straight lines. If we missed ½ inch or something, it's going to be visible, okay, noticeable and visible. So it's very important. When you have can lights, you connect between the can lights with wire, okay, and leave it extra wire for connections. So it have to be like it's going like chain. So about can lights we got. So what I want to say about this can light, this is specifically can light we're using. It's insulated can light, because we will be have it in a crawl space or in an attic. We'll be have it insulation. So when install insulation touching the can light can be hot and can start tripping. So make sure you buy the right can lights. where don't need it, let's say where installation doesn't go, you can use the basic one, can lights. So this is the only reason between those can lights. Any questions, boys? Any questions? I can answer it.
So back here when you're talking about the light knocking behind you.
Okay.
About cabinets at the top.
Yep. So again, you have to have it layout, kitchen layout, or vanity where you're working, because you don't know how cabinets goes. Your questions, because right here we have pantry closet, we have pantry slash refrigerator. So the deepness is 24 minimum. Okay, some people it's 24 deep. We have it here, 24 countertop deep fridge, but some cases has a 36. Okay, so if you just lay it out all the way, you can, the can light can meet with cabinets, and you can have it issue. So you have to have it layout before you install it. Here we have front door, right? Definitely I'll put the can lights in the middle by the hallway, by the opening the door. Okay, so you just follow it, you just see it, try feel it the house, try to feel it, how it's going to be lighting. Everything it's about space, like I said. You need to see where it's going to be TV, how it's comfortable, the switches, outlets. Okay,